Okay, so we had a quick push down from our sell position, and then we had a rejection off that trend line to start with. So our sell position was in here. Okay, so at one stage we were up about 7 pips on all our positions, and then we had a rejection off that trend line, but I still believe that we're going to break down through that trend line. So let's just wait and see. It's possible that we do get one last push up first and then a pull down. So we'll just wait and we'll see how this plays out. Okay, so here's our big breakdown. We're up a whole lot of pips right now. As you can see, I want to come down a bit more before I start taking some of these out. So let's get a push down below the moving average. So obviously this is the first place price is going to stop, previous swing low. But let's wait for a push below and we can start harvesting some of these pips. Okay, so strong big red candle. It's looking good for a quick push down. And once we break that low, I'm going to start taking out some of these. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Okay, wow, so up a number of pips, still moving strongly, and we're still up 60 pips as well. So if we come down to these lows here, then I'm just going to move all of my TBs down there. That's actually 66 pips per position. So that would be pretty awesome. We'd have about 360 pips if we got down there just on those last 6 positions. Okay, so we can now remove what we're looking at there and move the stops just down to above the high. Okay, so now we're in a break-even position, and I don't expect us to be going up there anymore. Let's just watch price as it plays out. If it does turn around, do something strange, then I've got no problem with taking all of these out of break-even because we're already up about 70 pips. So let's have a quick look and then we'll come back. So there's our take profit on those positions there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, about 80. And let's wait for this to keep dropping, and in fact let's just have a look at the higher time frame and see if that will help us understand what's going on a bit clearer. So on the higher time frame, on the 30-minute chart, notice that we are trading below the moving average, and we also have rejected off the pivot on the 30-minute chart as well. And if we actually have a look here, you can see a trend line coming across the bottom, so that would definitely be the best place to start taking that profit when we come down into that low region. Now we might not get there, of course. Something crazy might happen and we might go up, but that would be a great place to take profit. So let's come back when price starts to move, and we'll reassess the situation, and we'll go from there. Okay, so absolutely dropping like a rock. It's not stopping yet. At the first sign of pause, I'll start taking out a few more of these. So we're up well over 100 pips on these last 6 positions, and really moving nicely. Notice that we've broken through the 0 bankers level, and possibly starting to hit a few stops under this low here. We're just going to take out 2 of these. Okay. And I'll leave the rest for lower down. Okay, so we're slowing down a bit here, starting to turn around. We were, and just watching the 1-minute chart, just sort of seeing what sort of action we're getting. These are our take profits already, as you can see. We basically sold the high. Okay, we sold the high there, which a lot of people say you can't do, but we sold the high. And I'm just sort of watching the 1 minute price action to see if we're going to get a turnaround, and that might make sense to start taking some profit out. So it is looking still strong. There's a lot of momentum, obviously a lot of selling still coming in. A lot of people don't try and catch falling knives, and so typically they won't be buying this until it comes down to the bottom. However, as you can see in the past, we've had a lot of rejection from this level. See there? Okay, so that's one of the reasons why we're getting a bounce. So I'm just going to take out one more of those and leave the last ones down there. Okay, so that's it, guys. We're done for the day. I'm just going to leave those last two break even now. One at 64, and then I'm leaving for one at 200, just in case we break the level tonight. So let's have a look at our history for today's work. Okay, so there's our history. 150, 160 pips plus. There's 50, 110, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh no, over 200 pips. So as you can see, when you know how to trade with the correct market structure, and when you can understand when the banks are coming in, then you can make 200 pips in a very short amount of time. Okay, so trade was opened at just 30 minutes after the hour, and just over an hour's work, and we're done for the day. So there we go, guys. If you like what you're seeing, then click the link below, subscribe, and also there's a link in my description underneath the video where you can actually call me and talk with me if you're wanting some direction with your trading, if you're wanting to understand what you should do next with your trading journey. Then we're able to teach you to do what I'm teaching you now. So I'm just going to take another one of these out. We're getting some action, and I'll let the last one run. If we look at the 1 minute chart, a bit of a rejection there. So guys, if you do like this, then there's a link where you can actually schedule a call to talk with me at the university, and I can share with you the courses that we offer, and we can see if they're a good fit for you and if you're a good fit for us, and we can teach you how to trade. Okay guys, so here we go. We came down to that line that I was drawing before, right down to our bottom, and I'm just going to take that last one out for 60 pips. Okay, so there we go. We did it. We absolutely crushed it. So let's just have a look and at our history and see what we came up with, our total. Okay, so as you can see, this is all from today, the 11th of December, and you're over 260 pips in one position with pound dollar. Awesome trade, and it's just learning to identify what price is doing and when it's doing it, and then we can jump on board. And as you can see, because I scaled up with a number of different positions, I was able to really get the most out of this trade. Obviously the short trades there get us into a break-even position, and the longer trades get us into really good profit. So we're still breaking down, but that's okay. I mean, how many people do over 250 pips in a day? Not many. So again, get in touch with us, guys, and we'll teach you how to trade like this too.